This area is a beautiful area for our community to come out and have recreation, but it's also really important for all of these industries of the bayou.
So today at Lightning Point, we're doing a plant salvage project. We have a part of the site where we're actually taking down an old dredge berm, and in that area creating tidal creeks. But before we get in there and do that construction, we want to go in and salvage as many plants as we can. So we have students from Alma Bryant High School coming out to help collect seeds, take cuttings, and actually dig up some of these plants to grow out in their greenhouses for us to plant again next spring when we're ready to actually rehab this site.
I think it's wonderful that we're trying here to save the ecosystem. After they're going to bulldoze it, we're going to grow it at the school, and then we're just going to come back here and replant it.
So by harvesting the local plants, growing them up, and then replanting them after they finish construction work in the spring, we're putting back the same genetic makeup of plant back there that was there to begin with. And there's some research that shows that that makes these restoration projects more successful in the long run.
So what we're doing is we will find plants like this right here, and we're going to take it and we break this off, and all these are the seeds right here, and we're going to take these back to our school, and they're going to grow, because this is all going to be possibly destroyed. And so we're going to take this back to the school and let these grow, and in the spring we're going to come back and replant all of these so that we can put them back in their home. And so I came to Bryant High School to do the marine biology programs or aquaculture programs, to get involved as much as I could in the community, working on projects like this, trying to really work on the ecosystem. And so I found this trip out, and I took this because I want an opportunity to really get like some hands-on experience and really meet some people and just see what I could do to help out.
I'm really hoping that our students get an appreciation for their community, for the ecosystem that's right here in their own backyard.
I just think that's amazing how we're just trying to save the environment over here.